How to fix vcruntime 140_1.dll error in Valorant on Windows 10. Here are some tips that would help you with the vcruntime 140_1.dll error in Valorant on Windows 10. 1. With the admin access, try reinstalling all existing Microsoft Visual Studio C++ apps via the official downloads at https://support.microsoft.com/n-a/help/297700//the-latest-supported-visual-c downloads or control panel. 2. Follow Valorant's official Twitter account and get the latest patch installed on time.